Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to a new video on my YouTube channel. And guys, I'm not in my room as always. I'm here in a hotel. As you guys can see, this is me. This is the fit for today. Let me show you to you guys. This is the fit, pretty basic with this right here. Yeah, guys, this is me. I'm in Turkey. If you're Turkish, please leave a comment. And let's start with the video. So the first pair for next week is GBP NZD. GBP NZD, as you guys can see, we are on the daily, on the weekly. We are bearish on the weekly. We are clearly bearish. It looks like we are rejecting from this zone right here. So we are bearish, and last week closed like a bearish engulfing. The daily may look bullish, but I count it as bearish because we had this big move to the downside. So now we are bearish under this area of interest right here. After we rejected that one, we are now under this one here, which on the 4-hour looks perfect. As you guys can see, this is the 4-hour time frame. Look at this area of interest, beautiful area of interest. The 4-hour looks like it's rejecting the EMA, rejecting the area of interest. I will simply wait for a break and retest out of this area of interest on the 1-hour time frame. So yeah, that was GBP NZD. Now let's see the second pair for next week, which is CAD JPY. CAD JPY on the weekly time frame, we are bullish. It looks like we are creating a possible higher low right here to then create a new higher high. We are bullish on this area of interest right here with multiple touches on the weekly. Daily time frame, bullish as well. We are bullish, then we went bearish last week, and last week guys didn't take any trade. So yeah, we were bearish, bullish, and now bullish again. And we see that we are retesting this area of interest right here around psychological level 106. Then also we have the previous structure point. 4-hour looks beautiful. We are bullish on the 4-hour. This will be my second pair for next week, guys, because it's almost ready to take. So yeah, this was CAD JPY. I will wait for some bullish momentum from this area of interest, some rejections to take this trade. Now GBP JPY, it's almost the same thing, but I'm gonna wait for a further pullback on this one here. The weekly is bullish, daily bullish as well with this area of interest right here, and 4-hour bullish as well. So I will wait for the further pullback to then look for my entries. Now GBP CAD, it's almost like GJ. I will wait for the daily, it's bullish. The weekly time frame is bullish as well. We are retesting the previous structure point, which is a beautiful confluence. Then I will wait for this one here to have a break and retest to this area of interest to take the trade to the upside, because guys, we have this beautiful area of interest right here. So it makes a lot of sense to take this one here. So this was GBP CAD. Now let's see AUD CAD. AUD CAD looks bearish on the daily. Weekly time frame is bearish as well. We are rejecting this area of interest once again, so I will look for sells. 4-hour time frame looks bearish. I will wait for the retest to this area of interest to take the short to the downside. This right here looks like it will be ready maybe tomorrow. So yeah, this was AUD CAD. Now the 1-hour, we have the pullback to then look for the shift of structure. Now guys, Euro AUD on the weekly time frame, we are bullish. We had a lot of weeks being bullish. Daily time frame looks bullish as well after we had this big engulfing to the upside last week. So maybe next week we'll continue going to the upside. This area of interest right here. The 4-hour time frame looks very nice. So we'll wait for the higher low on the 4-hour to buy this trade. Guys, a lot of you asked how to take a trade. How do you calculate your position size? Well, it's pretty easy, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to calculate your position size with all these trades. So I'm gonna show you how many lots I will take on every trade. So yeah, guys, now I'm gonna show you how to calculate your position size. Now let's start with GBP NZD, sorry. which is my first pair for next week that I'm interested in taking. So as you guys can see, I will maybe look for a 50 pip stop loss. So the stop loss is very important when you guys calculate your position size, because now I'm gonna show you how to calculate this position size. So guys, first of all, this is my phone right here. This is all the trading things. So let me take my position size calculator like I'm doing right now. So guys, account balance, as you guys know, is 10,000 on my prop firms, while I have 200 on the live account. So I will put 10,000. You put your account balance, you put your risk, guys. I always risk 1.25% on my prop firms. Then the stop loss in this case is how many pips? Is 50 pips. So right here I'm gonna write 50 pips. So I send it. Now the pair is GBP plus I put the NZD, because the pair right here, guys, is GBP NZD. Now I go right here and press calculate. So as you see, guys, the lots will be 0.48. So on the trade I will risk 0.48. I will open a position with 0.48 lots. So guys, make sure to check this app right here. It's called Steno, guys. It's the best app for this right here, because guys, as you see right now, I'm in vacation. So what do? I simply open my phone. I go here after I'm watching my trading view and everything. I go to the MT5, I open a position. I'm gonna go here and calculate my things on the Steam app. So please make sure to check it, guys. The link is in the description below, and make sure to or even scan the QR code on the screen if you're from your computer, and make sure to use the Steam app, because guys, it's the most mobile thing ever. You can do it everywhere, and as you guys saw, it's very fast, and you have all the pairs, and the calculations are pretty accurate. So guys, please make sure to use the Steam app. Ever since I started trading, I used the Steam app, so make sure to download it. And guys, leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you so much. Look at this beautiful room right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.